The federal government remains paralyzed, and the impact directly affects civil aviation. Transportation Secretary Duffy issued the harshest warning yet today. If there are not enough air traffic controllers, the country may reduce the volume of aircraft in the air, and in more critical scenarios, close parts of the airspace. The measure, according to him, seeks to preserve operational safety. The guidance is clear. When the staff decreases, the system slows down. Fewer flights take off, more aircraft wait on the ground. If absences increase, the next step may be the temporary suspension of sectors of the airspace. Short quote: "If we get to another week in this situation, we will see mass delays, mass cancellations, and possibly the closure of certain control areas," said Duffy. Recent history supports the concern. During the 2019 shutdown, on days 34 and 35, similar bottlenecks put pressure on the system. The difference now is the advance warning. The administration is trying to prevent the network from collapsing due to a lack of personnel in critical positions. Experts point out that a single facility can affect several states at the same time. The Denver Control Center, for example, manages airspace above 18,000 feet in parts of Arizona, New Mexico, Utah, and Colorado. If a reduced team there calls sick, and there are no replacements, the chain effect affects takeoffs, connections, and landings at multiple airports. For those who are going to travel, the message is pragmatic. Arrive earlier, monitor airline notifications, reschedule when possible, and consider alternative routes. There is no way to predict which facility will suffer staff shortages each day. The situation is dynamic and changes shift by shift. The immediate risk is a controlled drop in capacity. Fewer slots, more delays. In the worst-case scenario, temporary closure of sectors of airspace to maintain safety. The next steps depend on three factors: reinforcement of staff in critical shifts, coordination between the Federal Aviation Administration, control centers and airlines, and a political solution to end the strike. Until then, the plan is to operate with maximum caution, prioritizing the safety of crews and passengers.